Alright, well, I'm pretty happy. I got my motor all mounted up today, back on its frame, fixed the weld. This is what we came up with here. Looks pretty close to what was just going on there. 28cc home light. You can see right there is where the crack was, all the way across that backing plate, out of nowhere. I ran over a curb without really knowing it was there, and snap. Gas tank mounted onto the motor, so when it happened, it just sat there and kind of spun and made me look like a fucking retard. But you'll have that. So we're all mounted back on, and you can see I put a 1/4-inch piece of rubber between the original mount and the body there of the motor, just to maybe try to give it a little cushion. So let's see, show you how easily this goes on to the bike. There's the motor access point, and that's the tube the motor feeds into there. Hook my throttle on. Do it before we put the motor on, maybe, huh? Strap. You just want enough tension that the tire is going to squat about like that, as you can see. And there you have it.